Welcome back.
Hey guys.
We thought we would do a quick Texas haul.
Yeah, I don't think we bought that much. Maybe more than I thought we had.
We had some lovely gifts.
We
too.
have, yes. So we thought we'd show you what we got.
Yeah. So we got postcards for our members. And those will be in the post as soon as we get home.
Absolutely. You know your heart. If you're not a member and you want to become a member, leave it down below.
Yes.
I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
And Kelly and Bob gave me this lovely little Slytherin bag. I am a Slytherin, in case you didn't know. And this is so cute. I don't know what I'm going to fit in there because it's teeny tiny, but it looks
It's amazing.
so cute. And it's got
so
a little
nice.
pom-pom.
Emma got her cowboy hat.
Yeah, you'll have seen it in pictures. It also has a Fort Worth Stockyards pin on it. And John got one of those pins too, but I don't think he's put it on his hat. Mine was a really cheap one, so it is a little plasticky. But John got a cowboy hat.
Yeah.
And
I spent a bit of money on mine.
Yeah.
Was it 150,
I don't know.
160 maybe?
But his isn't plasticky. Look.
It's a proper one, and it all shaped to me. It was really good. I also got a pin, like Emma said. Don't really know what I'm going to do with mine yet.
No.
Original plan was to put my hat, but I don't want to put a hole in my hat, so
Yeah.
we'll have to see about that.
Yeah.
Um,
I did a fair bit of shoe shopping, so let's
You
get
did.
into that quickly. I got some Panda Dunks. Love these. I wanted these before we came, couldn't find them. Checked everywhere in Canada, couldn't find them, and then saw them in the boy section in a shoe shop, and I fit boy shoes.
You
so
do?
not only were they a bargain because they were boy shoes rather than women's shoes, but they're perfect. I've been wearing them all week pretty much since I bought them, and I still really love them.
you just look super comfortable.
Yeah.
It's never shoes you got.
Yeah, they're like Fugs, basically. They're by Bear Claw. They're like ankle ones,
Yeah.
which I much prefer, and they're a little bit platformed, so yeah, I really like them, and they're obviously fur-lined or
Super comfortable.
so fur-lined.
You
I don't
wear them
know.
a lot at home.
Yeah, I'll wear these a lot at home for like comfy, and these were only £30 because I bought the Puma
Some
high
more
tops.
shoes.
Yeah. This is the last shoe for me, I promise. But these are Puma high tops. I've never had high tops before. I just really like the colours on these. And they're super comfy. I've had my Air Forces were the same soft foam stuff. Don't know if you can see them
I
there.
like them, they're super cool.
But yeah, they're really comfy. I've not figured out how to lace them up yet, but I will. And then I will be wearing them a lot, I think. And I like the little Puma
Yeah,
bag.
I like them.
So they're all the shoes I bought. Bob and Kelly gifted me a lovely spirit jersey. This one is so
lovely.
nice.
Yeah.
I'm going to get it filthy. It says Walt Disney World on the back in gold shiny.
It is nice.
Yeah, I don't have one like this, so really like it.
Absolutely, yeah, that's lovely. And Bob and Kelly gifted me a Coates hip flask. Lovely, it's going to be great in the winter.
You can just see the
For
cool.
golf or whatever. Yeah, love that. So thank you very much. Yeah,
Oh, that's
I love
cool.
that.
Yeah.
And also AirPod
Case.
case in Coates was amazing.
It's got a little keyring so
I
you
love
can
that,
attach it to
yeah.
his pants.
So thank you very much for that. I love that.
Fancy.
Yeah, it's awesome. I love that. Love that. So thank you very much. Move on to t-shirts.
I got one of these different, but similar.
Yours is a black one.
It's in the
Similar.
wash.
So this is my t-shirt from
is-
Fort Worth Stockyards. I love that. It's got on the front and obviously on the back as well. Yeah.
Mine is similar, just different colours, I think.
Yeah, it's black, I think.
And it's got orange on it.
And Emma got a Fort Worth Zoo t-shirt. I
Yeah,
thought
it's
it was
got
amazing.
the Fort Worth Zoo, and then that's the horned frog thing
Yep.
from the college and for like Fort Worth. And then on the back, it's got the same. It's got. Ooh. It says Fort Worth Zoo, #1 Texas Horned Lizard Conservation. So I thought that was cool, and I think some of the proceeds for this one go to the lizard.
Love that. Love that. I also got a t-shirt from there. Mine is slightly different. I couldn't find the same one. I would have got the same one because I wanted it to say Texas. Couldn't find it, so I got a
So it says
Fort
Fort
Worth Zoo.
Worth Zoo.
And on the back, got the animals
It
that we
says Museum
see.
of Living Art, Fort Worth. And this is all like the spiders and the
Yeah.
frogs and the snakes and things.
I love that. Yeah, really nice. Moving on, we got magnets and tree ornaments. So
the people that are receiving these will have them by now.
Yep.
I like to get my sister the ugliest magnet I can possibly find, and this one has everything on it. So I thought, yeah, that's the one. So I got her that one. It was only $9.99. So
I love that one.
okay.
We've got a Stockyards magnet as well for
Got
your
it for my dad, yeah.
I love that one as well.
Yeah.
Really nice. And then for us, we like to get a tea ornament for Christmas, and we were seeing this one around, so we had to pick a boot up.
Yeah.
Texas boot. What I really like for a Christmas tree.
Yeah. There you go.
We've got more than I thought we had actually.
Yeah.
Bob and Kate also gifted me some super dry flip flops. What I love.
That's good because John's flip flops at home
Absolutely.
can go in the bin.
I love flip flops. I wear them all the time. They're great. Thank you so much. And one of my next major purchase, I think this and my hat was my major purchase. My cowboy boots.
They're nice they are.
Love them. Got obviously American flag on them from front and back. Yeah, I see them in the mall, but it didn't have my size, so got them a couple of days later in the right size. Yeah, I'm so glad I got them. I see them in black, but I think I prefer these colours anyway. So yeah, love them. My major purchase, but I think that's it.
There were probably a few bits that we've missed, but I'm not sure. So if there are, you'll see them in the vlogs and stuff.
I don't think so. Maybe your t-shirt was from the wash, but I think that's about it.
Yeah. We also got this for Nathan, who is my sister's boyfriend. We're going to give it him for Christmas. So we thought it was cool. It's like a gym material, and he likes the gym, so hopefully you'll use it. So that was our Texas haul. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.